Hi, I'm Mike Brogan. I teach the machining and manufacturing courses at Auburn High School. This back here is our shop at Auburn Junior High School. These courses are fun, hands-on, and taught mostly in the shop environment. For the manufacturing courses, it's a one-part course. It has no prerequisite, and it is not a prerequisite to any other class. In manufacturing, we teach everything from soft skills to hand tools and computer numeric control machines, also known as CNC machines. Things your students will be introduced to are the theories and practices of modern day manufacturing, hand tools, drill presses, power saws, welding, metal casting, and in my opinion, the most important, CNC machines. For CNC machines, basically, in order to have one of these machines make or cut a part for you, you first need to design that part on a computer-aided design program. After you put it through that CAD program, then you transfer it into a CAM program or computer-aided manufacturing program. And that helps you set up the code that the machine actually runs off of. And finally, then you transfer that code to the machine and it'll actually cut it out for you. All right, the machining courses are three parts. We first have Intro to Precision Machining, then Lathes and Mills. Intro to Precision Machining, that is the prerequisite to lathes and mills. There is no prerequisite to Intro to Precision Machining. In these classes, students are taught the theory behind machining and the hands-on use of machining tools and precision measuring equipment. Machining is the process of cutting, shaping, or removing material from a workpiece using a machine tool. But the best explanation is a demonstration, and we'll have some short videos, time-lapse videos of some machining going on at the end of this. But here, I will show you on our left side here, we have our mills, and essentially, they produce square flat parts. And then on our right side, we've got lathes, and these produce cylindrical parts.